Good morning, students. Today we will do our English grammar, chapter 2, the two parts of a sentence. Earlier we have learned that what is a sentence and how to write a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. It's called a sentence. Okay, and we know that sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. If it is a sentence, and if it is a question type sentence, then it will end with a question mark. Now today we will learn the two parts of the sentence. Now let me read this for you. All sentences can be divided into two parts. The person or a thing spoken about. The person or a thing spoken about. In the sentence, the person or the thing will be spoken about. We will speak about that person or thing. What is said about that person or thing, and in the second part of the sentence will be what are we speaking about that person or that particular thing. For example, the girl is drinking tea. So we are speaking about the girl, and what are we speaking? We are saying that the girl is drinking a cup of tea. So we can understand this. Now about a clock. A clock tells the time. So what are we speaking about? We are speaking about the clock. And what are we trying to tell you? We are trying to say that the clock tells us time. Likewise, the cow eats grass. We are telling you about the cow. And what the cow is doing? The cow is eating grass. Likewise, Bahadur is eating an ice cream. So we have come to know that Bahadur is this boy, and what the boy is doing? He is eating an ice cream. So we have come to know that the boy is doing? The boy is eating an ice cream. So the person or a thing spoken about. What is said about the person or the thing? In that particular sentence, what the person or the thing is doing or telling us, when we can understand that, these are the complete sentence. This can make a complete sentence. These are the parts of the sentence, you can say. Okay, now let's go to the next page, that is exercise 1. Divide each sentence given below into two parts. There is one sentence given for you, and we have to divide the sentence accordingly, part A and B. Let me read one for you. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So our first part will be Jack and Jill. They are the person we'll speak about. We are speaking about. And what are we speaking about Jack and Jill? That they went up the hill. Fine. The rest I have done for you. You can write it down in your copy. Next, we will go to the next page. Now, exercise 2. Given below are certain sentences ending. Fit the right endings from the bubbles of their sentence heads and complete the sentence. The first one has been done for you. This also I have done for you, but still I'll read the one for you. Part A is given here, and part B you will have to choose from here. So number 1 is the ship. What is the ship? What does the ship do? Here what we are going to know, that the ship, we are speaking about the ship. Ship is a thing, okay? And what the ship is doing? The ship sails on the sea. The ship sails on the sea. What is the ship doing? The ship is sailing on the sea. Okay? Now number 2, grapes. What is grape? Grapes are fruits. So what are the grapes? They are grow on the vine. What are the grapes doing? They are growing on the vine. Where the grapes grow, it is called vines. So rest I have done for you. As you will write, you will understand by yourself only. Now exercise 3. Match the word A with right words in B. The first one has been done for you. Okay, here A is given and B is also given. But what you have to do, you have to match the proper A with proper B. Means you have to match the proper sides. Okay, the sun. What will be the answer? Rises in the east. An ant has 6 legs. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Hens lay eggs. Sunday is the first day of the week. Snakes lives in the hole. Trams run on rails. The boys play in the park. This is the whole table and I have solved it for you. This is the end of our chapter 2, parts of the sentence. Thank you.